Real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right, they can't tell me nothing. Grand all winning, fucking up the summer. Do it big time, might go get a Hummer. Even though you lying, tell me that you love me.
Yeah, so we're doing Instagram. We're trying to learn how to do that. I'm getting free game from this guy on Telegram, and I can't remember who it was. I think it was this guy named Bryce or something, and he just gave me the sauce. Like it was like you could use this company called Feelgram. There's like a website called Feelgram, and then you could use Jarvee. There's another software you could like automate posting. So you could like take viral content from these other pages, and then you could automate it so it would, basically scrape these other pages and post the content on your page. And then Feelgram, if you paid them, it would dump power likes onto your Instagram page.
What's power likes?
So power likes are basically, at that time, and this doesn't work anymore, by the way, for anybody listening.
Okay.
Unfortunately. So power likes were one, you would get likes from Instagram accounts that, and this is the way the algorithm used to work. Unfortunately, it doesn't work this way anymore. But let's say like, Justin Bieber or Kylie Jenner or something liked your photos, it would promote your photos to everyone that followed them on their explore page. That's how the algorithm used to work. So I learned this, through these various different people. And Fuelgram, what it would do is you'd sign up for Fuelgram, and it would, as soon as you post, you'd automatically get likes. So it'd send it to your page, and then it would boost your stuff onto the explore page.
Oh,
So then you get a ton of followers.
it's crazy.
Yeah, and back then, there was only like 7 posts that were on the explore page back in like 2016, 2017. So if you went viral, I mean, you could get 10, 15, 30,000 followers in like a day, which was wild. So we learned, we had Fuelgram, which worked, and Jarvee, which would auto post. We started growing this page, but then we found out this other little secret from like this Indian website. I can't remember what it was called anymore, but it was basically called like a panel. And you could pay the panel, and they would send like fake views to your Instagram page. So if you paired all 3 of these things together, you'd go crazy viral. I mean, insane viral.